Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you in lovely professional university Edu-Webinars. My name is Dalvinder Kaur and I'm your host for today's webinar. As I can see, people are still joining, so let's wait for a few more minutes that everyone can join. Till then, let me take you all on a virtual tour of our beautiful university. So here it is. Everyone for calling and let's talk about the call responses, especially on option C. Is this video real or AI? No, this is absolutely real video. No AI is harmed in making this video. So for the people who wants to see this video again, I'll share the link in the chat box later in 2-3 minutes. So as I can see, everyone has joined. So let's dive into today's topic, that is career horizons in physics after B.Sc and M.Sc. Before we proceed further into this session, our experts, Dr. Kailash Juglan. Dr. Juglan is a professor and associate dean at lovely professional university. He has been actively involved in teaching, research, and more. So I'd like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, Associate Professor in the field of Mechanical Engineering. With over 20 plus years of teaching experience, his vast knowledge will surely pave the path for attendees. Before we proceed further into this session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. Now I'm going to hand over this session to our expert, Dr. Kailash Chandra Juglan, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from him. Over to you, Dr. Kailash. And I'll be also joining you all as an attendant, as it's always great to learn something. Over to you, Dr. Kailash Chandra Juglan.
Well, thank you, Dalvinder ma'am. I'm sharing my screen first. I hope screen is visible to you all.
Yes, screen is visible. You can continue.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Welcome to all the participants in this webinar. I'm Dr. and I am heading the School of Chemical Engineering and Physical Sciences in LP. We are taking care of all the B.Scs and M.Sc courses, and here I will be discussing what are the career options available for the Master, B.Sc and M.Sc students. And I will be giving the examples. I will be giving the detail with the help of the examples what our students are doing as of now. I will be starting with the rankings of our school. our school. Physical sciences, mainly it is belongs to the physics, chemistry, math, environmental sciences, and the chemical engineering, and we can say stats. And we are number one according to the world's university ranking 2026 in India. And in engineering, we are second in India. You can see in the QS World's University ranking, our domains are lying in top categories. In we can say chemistry, we are 13th in India. In mathematics, we are 19th in India. And in physics and astronomy, we are at position of 24th in India. If I will talk about the MOUs which we have with the various international brands, like the we have MOUs with the, we can say, top agencies, including the universities in various part of the world, including the University of Winnipeg, which is in India. We have MOU for the if a student want to do part of the degree in LPU, they can continue this their rest of the degree in University of Winnipeg. We have MOU with the IBM for doing the collaborative research and the industry exposure. We have MOU with the Indian Institute of Petroleum, Dehradun also. You can see we have MOU with the MKS Autotech Limited, which is the US-based multinational brand, and also we have MOU with the various part of the program which we are offering. We have B.Tech in chemical engineering. We have B.Sc in physics, chemistry, and mathematics with 3-year and 4-year program. We have option for 3-year and 4-year in all the cases. And also we have masters in mathematics, stats and data analysis, chemistry, physics, and environmental sciences. Along with that, we have PhD program, doctoral program in physics, chemistry, mathematics, stats, chemical engineering, and environmental sciences. I will highlight the core strength of my school. We have more than 180 faculty members. Those are PhD from various IITs, NITs, CSIR labs, and many of them are PhD from many foreign universities, reputed foreign universities. You will not find any university where we have 180 faculty members in these domains, especially in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. In mathematics alone, I have 85 faculty, and all are PhD. In physics and chemistry, we have more than 40 faculty, all are PhD. You can see the strength of the faculty member which we have. Also, we have more than 90% placement in reputed companies and school, and our students are doing high quality research, and because of that we are able to publish more than 500 publication in 1 year, and about 30 patents in last 1 year. We have good instrumentation facilities and well equipped research labs, and because of these facilities or sophisticated instrumentation facilities, our students are able to publish high quality research. If I will highlight here the publications which we have highlighted here, our faculty member, in total 14 faculty from our school are cited in top 2% scientists by the Stanford University. You can see the highlights of our faculty members over here. We have faculty members, those have very high experience from various parts of the world. I will highlight here Dr. Raji Thomas. He has more than 26 years of teaching and research experience, and out of the 26 years, 20 years in abroad, especially in USA, Japan, Germany, okay, and in and now he is working in LPU from last 6 years. Dr. Mriganka. He's worked in a project CERN. You all are aware about the CERN lab, and which is situated in Geneva. And we are going to start the Center for High Energy Physics with the help of the Dr. Mriganka and Dr. Triloki. They are working with the CERN lab in the STAR project, and this Dr. Mriganka has published one paper which is in the journal Nature with the help of this collaborative group. If I will highlight the funding from the various government or non-government agencies, we have funding from various government agencies, including the CSIR, DST, Department of Science and Technology, and all. You can see the amount is also visible here. Dr. Nitikant, Dr. Raji Thomas, Dr. Kawalji, Dr. Naga, Dr. Modik, and Dr. Vijaykant, all they have these funded projects. They highlight of our students, the Purnima. She just completed her M.Sc in 2025, and she got opportunity from various part of the world. She was interested to do masters from we can say UK, and she got offer letter from University of Bristol, King's College London, and University of Edinburgh. All three universities, they offered the scholarship for her masters, and she is not paying any fee. Rather, she is getting the scholarship from these universities. This is the strength of our students. Also, our student Mohit, he did master B.Sc in physics, and now he cleared CDS 2024. This is one of the biggest strength for us. Tejasvi, she is doing masters in stats and data analysis. She is second year student, and she is already get placed in company Wise, which is a multinational brand, and her package is 13.8 lakh per annum. Anu, she just completed her masters in physics last year, and now she is working in a company Skillcart with a package of 10 lakh per year per annum. And you can see this is just completed students. Now, students, they have published paper in coordination chemistry review. All four are the students, and the impact factor of this journal is very high, which is 20.6, and considered to be a very high impact paper. You can see the Mitra. She just completed the B.Sc in M.Sc in chemistry, and now she is doing PhD in France, and she is getting a fellowship of 2,200 euro per month. 2,200 euro per month means approximately, if we are converting into annum, it will be about 30 lakhs rupees in terms of the Indian currency. She is not paying anything to them. She is rather getting the scholarship for doing her PhD. Also, the Anchit, he has published a paper with high impact factor, which is 4.9, and considered to be very high impact for a B.Sc student. If a B.Sc student is able to publish a paper with the impact of 4.9, which is very difficult for a PhD student to publish. Also, one student has published paper with 10 impact factor in B.Sc only. We have opportunities for we can say semester exchange in abroad, and Divya, she is in final year student in chemical engineering, beta chemical engineering, and she is doing we can say 1 year internship in Malaysia, which is the University of Petronas. This is the group of companies, 25 companies, and she is there since last 1 year. And after that, she is also getting 2-3 offers from various part of the world for doing the masters or M.Tech in various part of the world. This is the strength of our students, that they are getting the scholarships from across the world. Tanisha, she won the competition Toy-Thon, which was organized by Government of India. That was the competition organized by the mission vision by our Prime Minister Modi, that we want to create toys from in India only, in spite of buying these toys from China generally. And she also got third prize in the hackathon organized by Indian Army, and this hackathon was open for all the individual, including the companies also. And the first prize in this competition was won by the colonel who is taking care of all the cyber security of the Indian Army. And the second prize was won by the individual from the company L&T. And the third prize was won by individual student. She is the student in LPU. If we will talk about the competitive exams, our students are, we are preparing our students, we are giving the training for our students for preparing them for IIT JAM exam, which is the exam for B.Sc student to get admission in IITs after B.Sc. And also, if you want to do PhD and you want to get scholarship in that, NET exam is there. The Kismat, he has scored 10th rank in all over India in JAM, which is the biggest achievement for a B.Sc student. And also Pratika and Sumit, they cleared, we can say, CSI NET exam last year. Monica, she is doing PhD in mathematics, and she got an offer from the, we can say, Europe, especially from the France, and so for doing the postdoctorate, and the fellowship she is getting is 3,000 euro per month plus TA-ship. That means she will be teaching there also, and on the basis of the number of hours she will be taking the classes, she will be getting the additional fellowship for that. And the total amount of fellowships she will be getting per year will be more than 50 lakhs. And you can see our students are what they are doing. Ans, he has cleared the B.Tech in chemical engineering, and in just 4 years, he has generated more than 150 crore revenue by his startup, which is the DAX Linguistic. And also Chisomo, he is masters in physics in LPU, and now he has started his company Dhaka Space Technology Limited, which is also MD at the Airways Technologies at the country Malawi. Our students are also generating revenue, as we are highlighting that we have started EduRev, Education Revolution. In Education Revolutions, we are promoting our student, we are motivating our student to generate revenue for themselves. And in this series, I have highlighted 2 students, but the number of students are generating revenue. They are teaching the students across the world, home tutoring as well. And the Aspinder, she is currently associated with a company, Turing, which is the US-based company, and she is working part-time in this company. And she is working as content analysis, and she is doing programming. Although she is a physics student, but she is doing programming in this company, and she is earning more than 1.5 lakhs per annum, per month only. And Sunita, she is the AI model physics trainer. What is her work there? She is training AI. All you are aware that the AI is taking the jobs of the any individual, but AI is also giving the job. If you are right person, if you have right talent, and if you are rightly trained, then you will be training AI. And she is training AI. She is making the questions for the AI, which is the better question for the AI. And for that, this company is paying her 1,10,000 or 10,000 per month. You can see the highlights of our student, highlight of our school. And I will also like to highlight here that this is the, we can say, compulsory for all the students. If they are generating revenue, then we are also giving them benefits in terms of the grades, in terms of the CEs. Okay, in terms of the, we are motivating all the students to do additional project beyond the classroom project. We have a phenomena of 50, 50, and 50. Means 50% of the grades to be earned outside the classroom. 50% attendance might be outside the classroom. That is in the form of the project. You might be motivated to do MOOC courses, participate in the hackathons, participate in webinars, seminars, conferences, and learn the real life exposure. And because of that, our students are able to achieve all these things. If you have any another, we can say, the discussion related to that, we are open to answer your queries for that. If I will talk about the specialized infrastructure, I have highlighted the terms related to the research mainly in this presentation, but I will highlight here why our students are able to publish that high impact factors. Because we have high instrumentation facilities available. We have powdered XRD, which cost is about 3 crore. FESCM. Okay, this is the scanning microscope. Again, which is with the EDS detector, and which is very highly sophisticated instruments, and cost is again more than 3 crores. We have electrochemical workstation, fluorescence spectrometer, and all. You can see all the high-end instruments we have, and because of that, our students are daily using these facilities, and then they are making themselves compatible at this competitive market. This is all about the highlights which I want to share about the school. And if you have any query related to the career, and what are the opportunities available for you in across the world, not only in LPU, I'm here open to answer you. Okay, thank you from my side.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kailash Chandra Chuglan. So I would invite our admission nominee, Dr. Naveen Kumar Bhagi, to be on the screen. Over to you, Dr. Naveen.
All right. Thank you very much. Very delightful session by Juglan sir. And over here, I'm going to share the the insights regarding the admissions in LP. Just give me a moment. Yeah.
Please continue.
Okay. Right. So let's start with the accreditations and approvals at LPU. Very first, the UGC has recognized LPU as a Category 1 university with the graded autonomy. And then if I go further, if I go with the NAC ranking, then LPU received the highest NAC grade A++ with a score of 3.68 on 4-point scale. And it is the highest score in first cycle of accreditation among all government and private universities. And these are the parameters on which NAC generally assess any institute or university. If I go with the NBA accreditation, then we have the MBA is an NBA accredited program along with these BTech programs, NBA accredited. And if I go with further with the ICAR accreditation, then School of Agriculture, PG programs and UG program is ICAR accreditation. These are the rankings we have. If I talk about the NF ranking, then 13th we have ranked in pharmacy, 17th in agriculture, 24th in architecture and planning, 26th in law, 44th in management, and 40th in research and innovation, 48th in engineering. And then the World University Ranking 2026, we are 5th in India, and this is amongst all government and private universities. And we are ahead of GNU, University of Delhi, BIT, SRM. So we are far ahead of these institutes. And then if I talk about the ranking, World University Ranking for the physical sciences, particularly program, then we have first in India. And we are ahead of IIT Patna, Delhi Technical University, Triple IT, Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Mandi, IIT Ropar. If I talk about the engineering, World University Ranking, then we are second in India. And the World University Ranking for Innovation, we are 4th in India and 109th globally. Then for the impact ranking, for the quality education, we are second in India and 18th global ranking we have. And if I talk about the QS World University ranking, then we have 5th in India for life sciences and medicine, 6th in pharmacy, 9th in agriculture, 10th in biological sciences. And if I talk about the SciMago ranking, then we have 7th among the small private universities of India. And as you know, SciMago institution ranking methodology evaluates university and research focused institutions based on scientific output as a measure of academic quality. Then at the AC/B.Sc ranking we also have, and this ranking is generally given to the business related programs. And approvals we have like NCTE approval we have, and PCI approval for the pharmacy programs, COA for the architecture programs, PCI approval for the law programs, All India Council for Technical Education for distance and online programs. Then Institute of Town Planners in India, ITPI, the Indian Association of Physiotherapists. Then RCI approval also we have for the clinical and applied psychology. The memberships we have Association of Indian Universities, International Association of Universities, and Institute of International Education. These are the memberships we have. And if I talk about the placements, then the record-breaking package, 3 crore package, our student, you can say, working in a global M.Sc company at a package of 3 crore in Germany, and the name of our student is Yashir M. Another, you can say, package, our 1 crore package, our student got the Pet Reddy Naga Vamshi Reddy, and you can say Pavan, then Hari Krishna, Arjun, Abhinash, all are very decent package, 1 crore package. You can say 2 students scored 1 crore package, and you can say more than 50 lakh rupees per annum package our students scored. And if I talk about the total number of recruiters hired LPU students, then I can say more than 2,000. You can say recruiters hired LPU students. More than 5,500 offer letters from Fortune 500 companies are sold. Got 350 recruiters of IIT, IIMs, and IITs also hire from LPU. Average salary, if I say 10.1 lakh rupees per annum, got by the top 25% placed students. And if I go with the final year students, the highest package I got is 2.5 crore package, and the another package I already discussed with you, more than 1 crore package I was got. And then the companies over here I have mentioned Palo Alto, Google, Amazon, MotoRQ. You can see the more than 770 LPU students selected at a package of 10 to 62.72 lakh rupees per annum. And our alumni is also start his own venture. And Ansh Sharma, B.Tech Chemical Engineering, he earned revenue more than 100 crore within 3 years. Another student, Ashworth Mangu, LPU student from the chemical engineering. He is, you can say, pursue Masters of Science program in chemical engineering with the fellowship. Then Neetu Vishkarma, Best Poster Presentation Award in the International Chemical Engineering Conference at IIT Patna. Our student Tanvi got placed in Autodesk with the 13.57 lakh rupees per annum package. Prateek Samant qualified U.P.Sc, you can say at CAPF 2020 at Assistant Commandant with AIR 84. Asif Yusuf clear U.P.Sc Civil Services exam with 328 rank. Our alumni Soumya Kumari clear U.P.Sc exam with the score of rank 502. Anwarullah Ansari has been awarded scholarship by DAD for higher education in Federal Republic of Germany. Then Aditya Singh selected as a reviewer in American International Journal. Hazif Abdullah got selected at Leeds Beckett University, UK for higher studies with scholarship. And this is again Ansh Sharma. And Muhammad Kismet Ryan, you can say also scored very decent score in IIT JAM with the AIR rank 10. And then Devanarayan Rajiv Kumar, School of Chemical Engineering and Physical Sciences at LPU, has been offered 25 lakh rupees, you can say, scholarship to pursue master's study in Finland. Then Manvi Gupta, student of chemistry, has successfully qualified PCS JK B.Sc with the rank of 76 and deputed as a Deputy Superintendent of Police. Then Chishmo Dhaka, alumni, done M.Sc Physics degree from LPU, and he is the founder, CEO, and CTO Dhaka Space Technologies, which is Malvinian space-based technology startup company basically, and newly founded and registered in August 2022. Chishmo is also founder and incumbent managing director at Airways Technology, Malvi. Then Sashodhya Siddhant, alumni of physics, was selected for 2 years with scholarship of 22,416 euros for the excellent track program in physics at Johannesburg Gutenberg University, Mainz, Germany. Devanarayana selected for master's program in theoretical physics in the University of Turku with scholarship, that means 100% fee waiver and with the 5,000 euro grant. Amal Chandra PT, B.Tech Chemical Engineering student, he has scored in the GATE exam all India rank with the rank of 266. And these are the students who have, you can say, worked in various, you can say, research topics and other universities. Like Mr. Akash Kundu, selected in the position of scholarship holder for a project Quantum systems in the Polish Academy of Sciences, Poland. Mr. Shubham Agarwal got selected with full scholarship for doing PhD in Charles University, Czech Republic. And then Miss Akshay got selected in University of Siegen, North Rhine, you can say Germany, for master's program after B.Sc honor physics. Ayush Arya, student of B.Sc honor physics, selected for 10 weeks, or you can say astrophysics and space science summer research fellowship in Sweden. And this is the uh, regarding the sports achievement by our students. 13 students represented India in Tokyo Olympics, and out of this 13, 12 students are from the LPU. Again, 24 students represent 24 LP students participate in the Paris Olympic Games 2024. That means 21% of the Indian Olympic contingent is from LPU. Then we have the first runner-up, you can say, in the Makkah Trophy Games 2023, which is, you can say, first ever private university to clinch this title since its inception, 1956. And we can say, in the second consecutive year, we also clinched the first runner-up trophy again, that is Makkah Trophy Game. Then if I show you how you can assess all this information from the website, just give me a moment. So you need to just go to the open the lpu.in. You just go to lpu.in, and then you just scroll the academics, and then there is a school web page. I'll show you the chemical engineering and physical sciences. Under the discipline of this chemical engineering and physical sciences, you need to click over here, and then all the information which I have discussed over here, you can check from here. All the placements, the discipline. If you want to know the discipline project, you need to click over here, and you can download and go through the details of the chemical engineering and physical sciences school. And if you know about the placement, the details mentioned over here, rankings, tie-ups, programs. If I directly go to the programs, then after 12th we have a B.Tech program in chemical engineering and UG programs in the physics, chemistry, mathematics, and honors also we have honors program. As you know, honors program is duration is of 4 years, and the B.Sc without honors is duration is 3 years. In honors, you can go with this with the, you can say, honors in physics or honors in research also. So it's the 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 honors program basically is as per the interest of the student. Then if I go with the after graduation, then we have the M.Sc Environmental Science program, MA Mathematics, M.Sc Mathematics, M.Sc Statistics and Data Analytics. Then honors programs we have M.Sc Honors Physics, M.Sc Honors Chemistry. M.Sc we also have the like M.Sc Honor Chemistry. We have 2 years chemistry and 1 year chemistry program. If I click over here, I'll show you. Similar way with the M.Sc Physics program. Like if I click over here, M.Sc Honor Chemistry, then you can see the M.Sc Honor Chemistry duration of 2 years, the M.Sc Chemistry duration of 1 year. It depends the degree you have done in the graduation. If you have done the 3-year graduation with the chemistry and scored a 55% marks, then you can go for the M.Sc Honor Chemistry with the 2-year duration. And if you have done the B.Sc Chemistry with honors and having duration of 4 years and got 55% aggregate marks, then you can go with the M.Sc Chemistry having duration 1 year. So it depends upon the graduation years you have done. And if you want to know more about the fee and scholarship important dates, you can scroll down this page, and you can first go to the fee. You can check the curriculum for the M.Sc Chemistry program, what subject you are going to study in the first year, and then click over here. Second year subject is also be mentioned over here. Then further, if I scroll down, then you can see the fee and scholarship in this page. As you know, in LPU, the fee depends upon the caliber of the students. How would you at your graduation, or you have performed in alchemist, or you have performed in national level test like CUET, you can avail the better scholarship, and that means your program fee will be reduced. Like if I show you over here, just give me a moment. Just give me.
Yes, please continue, Dr. Lovely. So can we take the questions now, Dr. Kailash and Dr. Lovely?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gaurav is with us. Gaurav is asking, what are the top career opportunities available after completing a B.Sc or M.Sc in physics?
B.Sc or M.Sc in physics?
Top
Yeah,
career.
actually, the options available are one of the best option is the doing PhD and for going for research like the all the big brands in India like DRDO, ISRO, and BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, and many of the we can say CSIR labs. They are hiring the masters in physics. Okay, and they have good opportunity to do research there for the government of India as well as the various world-class agencies like the NASA and various world we can say world-class agencies. They are inviting the masters in physics, and they have we can say they have a huge demand of students from India, those who have interest in physics or generally in sciences, and because of that they are giving high amount of scholarship. You can see the students are getting scholarship ranging from 20 lakhs per annum to 50 lakhs per annum. This is only the scholarship for doing their study, but if they are completing their degree, they will be getting more amount. It is not necessary that they can go for teaching only. And if the student is having interest in teaching, then all the sectors, including the sector we can say the coaching center, the schools, colleges, everywhere we have requirement of physics, chemistry, mathematics. Always remain this demand. The students, those are B.Sc or M.Sc in physics, chemistry, mathematics, can open their coaching centers as well. Okay, and nowadays edutech center is very high in demand, and many of our students, those are studying as of now, they are teaching in these edutech centers. One of our alumni is working in LN. You all are aware about the LN coaching center, and the head office is in Kota. And the Rohit Johari, he is a very senior expert in physics in LN, and he's our alumni. He studied his PhD from LP. Yeah. Anything more about this? I am here to answer. Yes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jan. I hope Gaurav, you got your answer from an expert. Dr. Navleen, now someone is asking, do LPU provide the residential facilities also?
Yes, ma'am. We do have a residential facility. We have 9 boys hostel along with 6 girls hostel. More than 20,000 students staying over here, and with a very very secure place. 24/7 security services we have, and we have you can say medical assistance 24/7. We provide 24/7. We have master staff is available. So along with these in hostel, we also have the dining area, mess facility. We have the we can say gym facility also. We have local amenities like this, like grocery store. We have. So all these facilities we have in a campus.
I hope that you got your answer from our expert. So someone is asking, Dr. Judin, how can students prepare for careers in research, data science, and other emerging physics-related fields?
Yeah, actually, in our B.Sc and M.Sc program, we are offering the research-related courses. Okay, this is not the traditional courses only which we are teaching. we have included all the basic courses, which is the requirement for completion of this degree, which is prescribed by the UGC. And other than that, we have included some courses related to the research methodology, like how to do research, how to search the research papers, how to write patent, how to write a book chapter, how to publish it. And students are getting the exposure on real basis. And that's why they are able to do research starting from their B.Sc and M.Sc. And if they have graduated from LPU, they can do PhD within 3 years very easily. And this is the plus point, that they have publications during B.Sc and M.Sc. And because of that, if they want to apply scholarship in abroad or in IITs or any other research organization for doing job, they will get selected because they already having this research exposure with them, which we have included in their curricula. We are not only teaching the physics student to only physics. We have included the courses related to the AI, ML, artificial intelligence, machine learning. We have included the courses related to the programming. All the programmings which we are teaching them, including the Python, C++, we are teaching them from the beginning, from the basic courses. And these are the compulsory courses for our courses. And because of these courses, they are expert in doing research, and they are, we can say, expert, and they are eligible for taking admissions, clearing competitive exams, and ready for the jobs.
Thank you so much, Dr. Juglan. I hope dear you got answers from our experts, and everyone got the answers from our experts. So if anyone have any question regarding the admission, they just write on admission@lpu.co.in. And you can do WhatsApp chat with us. Our WhatsApp number is 985256900. I'm repeating the number. It's 985256900. And once again, thanks to our experts, Dr. Navleen and Dr. Kiran. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in. Then admissions under this LPU Edu-Webinars, you will find coming at the past. And you can access this video on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my students, I will be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.